Welcome again to another amazing day. This is the oldest tester that I have. It is the Fluke 8024A. It was circulated on the 80s. Very popular back then. It's been with me for almost 30 years and still works. Let's open it. Well, this was made in USA, Washington. Wow. This is the battery compartment, the on and off switch. So, see, and it has a external power for 9 volts adapter. There are 3 screws. Let's remove the battery first. It has a 9 volts battery. And it has a small piece. Check it out. There are 3 connectors used for milliamps here, and also a temperature common and the line. It can test ohms, diodes, voltage up to below 1000 volts. DC AC. This one. It has a peak hold, a buzzer, and a milliamps here. And let's open it. We need a standard screwdriver for the 3 screw. And the screw, I think, has a color same as this one, a semi-gold or something. There's the 3. Can be removed from the front. There you go. This is the front cover. Simple. And there you are. As you can see, screw here to remove. What's this? I think this is a shield. Says here that has a DC cal for DC calibration. There you are. TEMP CAL, so temperature calibration. And this one is AC cal, so it's the alternating calibration. Oh, here you are. There's more here. It says HF, and I think, yeah, HF CAL. So this is a calibration for frequency. a high frequency alternating current signal. And remove this one by using a small screwdriver. Just put it there. Ooh, big resistors. I love vintage. Hard to break. There you are. You can remove this one. Let's remove it. Wow. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Shield from EMP, I think, or some. Okay. Yeah. It has a push button, old school switch. This one can return. This one does not. Need to push the others to return. This one can return. Also this one. This is for the peak. Okay. And I just changed this battery terminal. See? This is it. Whew, nice. I think this was repaired here. I just took this from the repair shop before, and I think they fixed this area. Also this one, it's a old style ribbon wire. Oh, there's two calibration. Not sure which one is that. This one is the voltage, but this one, well, doesn't say anything here in the level. Maybe part of the AC calibration. I never touched that. Just bring this to the calibration laboratory and they do the rest. And I think they fixed this one. Also this one. And if you want to remove this, just make sure that is out. The PCV, also that one. Be careful. It's very old. It's brittle. Okay, nice. Woo! Goodie. Oh, this is. Let's check it out. Let's open this one. What's this? Ooh. So I think they also repair this. See? Look at that. Nice. And if you can see the LCD, it has a defects. We can fix that on the next video, of course. Oh, these are the calibration. I think these are the DC and temp. So this is the DC, that's the temp. Not sure about this one. It says voltage here for the AC. Not sure about that one. Ooh, big parts. And We put this one. See? Oops. Because it was removed. Oh, see? Some parts are... oh, I never... I think it has a problem on the ribbon wire. Look at that, huh? Old school. Wow, wow. Come on, man. Oh! I think the switch. Yep, the switch. Maybe we can fix that. It's just the switch. This one. Nice. See? They just fixed this. And not sure. Yeah, it still works, so maybe they got the job right, or the problem is I don't like the kind of soldering that they made. Anyway, and you can put this back. See, same as this one. What you see here look like that on the other side. Just put this back on. Oh, let's remove the battery first. Yeah, this one. Wow. Look at that. An old school switch. Push button. See? And if you all wanna open this one, I think. Nice. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Let's put it back. Then look at the wires. Make sure. That's it. It's lock. A simple lock. Let's see. Nothing inside. I think they just ripped this out. Oh my god. And let's put it back. Just like that. And push it in. Simple. See? And put this back in. There. and screw. Then this one. Nice. 3 screw. Big screw. Just put the fuse in, fuse back, yep, the 9 volts battery, and just lock it in. See, I think the switch has a problem. It's a mechanical, so see. Ooh, need to fix those. Okay, let's check it out. Let's test DC. The bolts here, DC, and 2 volts. Let's take a 1.5 volts of battery. Put in there. Put the terminals there. Okay. And yeah. Oh, nice. Let's check it out. Negative and positive. Uh-oh. What the? There you are. Ha! It's a mechanical. That's what mechanical do. Sometimes works, sometimes does not. See, like that. So you need to sometimes clean it. With what? Contact cleaner. See? No tricks. See? Still works. So, we're good.